Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to do question and answers from the chapter Robinson Crusoe Discovers a Footprint from your class 5 English book Marigold. So without any late, let's start today's lesson. Section 1, let's read. Question number 1. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? Answer for this question is, Robinson Crusoe thought that the print was a footprint because it had toes, heel and all parts of a human foot. It made Robinson Crusoe bound to think that it's a human footprint. Question number 2. Why was Robinson Crusoe afraid when he looked at the bushes, at the trees? Answer. He was afraid because he mistook every bush and every tree to be a man from the mainland chasing him to kill him and eat his flesh. Question number 3. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? Answer. Robinson thought it was the footprint of a savage from the mainland. He was afraid that savages would kill and eat him. So he prayed for his protection. Question number 4. Choose the right answer. Question 1. Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because option A was racing. Option B, he was afraid. Option C, he was in a hurry to go home. So the correct answer is, he was afraid. Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he was afraid. Question number 2. He couldn't sleep because option A, there was an animal outside his cave. Option B, he thought savages had come from the mainland. Option C, his bed was uncomfortable. Answer is, he could not sleep because he thought savages had come from mainland. Question number 3. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that was not his footprint? It was not his footprint. Option A, it didn't look like a human footprint. Option B, it looked smaller than this, than his. He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time, and the correct answer is option C. He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Question number 4. Where was Robinson Crusoe? Option A, on a boat. Option B, in a town. Option C, alone on an island. Option D, on an aeroplane. So the answer is alone on an island. Section 2, let's talk. Question number 1. How would you feel if you see unknown footprints outside your front door? What will happen with you? What will happen to you? Answer for this question is, I would feel like Robinson Crusoe. I will feel afraid like Robinson Crusoe. Question number 2. If you were alone at home and then suddenly someone knocked at your door, what would you do? Answer is, I would go to the door and peep through the hole to see that who is there. Then I would ask, who is there? If there is someone whom I know, I would open the door. Otherwise, I would tell him to come later. Section 3, let's write. The words in the sentences are jumbled. We have to unscramble it. Alone was not Robinson an island an. So what will be the correct for sentence? Robinson was not alone on an island. B. Was island the inhabited? Correct sentence. The island was inhabited. C. Footprint to someone. This belonged. Answer. This footprint belonged to someone. D. I around me looked. Answer for this. I looked around me. E. I went towards footprint large. Answer. I went towards the large footprint. 5. F. Was afraid I now? I was afraid now. Likewise. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. I was frightened. Dash curious. What will be the correct word? I was frightened but curious. I decided to go to the beach. Dash I went along the water edge. What will we put? I decided to go to the beach. So I went along the water edge. Question C. I ran as fast as I could. Dash I was frightened. Answer. I ran as fast as I could because I was frightened. D. I was very tired. Dash confused. Answer. I was very tired and confused. Question number 3. Write a story on strange footprints. Here are some clues. Where did you see the footprint? What sort of a day was it? Did you see them at night? What happened when you followed the footprints? What did you see? What happened then? So these are the clues. According to these clues, you have to write the story. Let's compose the story. Here is the story. Story on strange footprints. One day, I was sitting alone in a park. A part of the track was muddy. Suddenly, I saw some footprints being made on the mud. I followed the footprints, but there was no one. New footprints were appearing as if someone was walking away, whether it was a ghost or an invisible man. I couldn't decide what to do. Then I come back. What a horrific story. Question number 4. Use the joining words given below and join the sentences in column A and B. Here are some joining words: or, and, so, but, because. And this is column A and B. We have to join this column A and B and frame sentences out of it using the joining words. First one. I wrote the letter, but I forget to post it. Second one. I can sing well, but I can't dance at all. Third one. She wrote a raincoat. He wore a raincoat because it was raining. Fourth one. We may go to Simla or Darjeeling. He missed the school because he was late. Last one. He wanted a book or a football for his birthday. So in this way we can complete the question. Section 4, fun time. Look at the footprint shown here. Here is the footprint. Hint. This is the footprint of the first man on the moon. His name was, who is the man who landed on the moon first? Answer. Neil Armstrong is the man who landed on the moon first. Question number 2. Let's create a pyramid and use the following clues. Here is the pyramid. In the first two boxes, we have to put a two-letter word beginning with B. B, B-E, B. It's a two-letter word and it begins with B. A three-letter word beginning with C. It may be car, it may be cat. C-A-T, cat. Three-letter word beginning with the alphabet C. A four-letter word beginning with D. D-E-E-R, D. Deer. So D-E-E-R, a word, four-letter word beginning with the alphabet D. E. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. A five-letter word beginning with E. A six-letter word beginning with F. Think what will be the correct answer? Many answers will be there and I have chosen fabric. F-A-B-R-I-C, fabric. Six-letter word beginning with F. So, thank you dear students for watching with so much patience till the end of this video. If you like the video, then like, comment and share this video with your friends, with your classmates. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you dear students. Bye bye.